You're putting in the work, researching, writing, and publishing high-quality content. Yet competitors with worse articles are consistently pulling ahead in the rankings. Google's algorithm applies a silent, invisible penalty to millions of pages every day, regardless of how well the content is written. In the current search landscape, technical performance is the ultimate tiebreaker. When content quality is roughly equal, the algorithm suppresses the site carrying hidden technical weight. Google quantifies this technical weight through 3 core web vitals. First is largest contentful paint, or LCP. Like a customer waiting in a dark shop, your main content must be visible in under 2.5 seconds. Second is interaction to next paint, or INP. Imagine pulling a door handle and waiting for the latch. Google expects visual feedback to clicks in under 200 milliseconds. Finally, cumulative layout shift, or CLS, measures stability. It's when a late-loading ad pushes the page down, causing a wrong click. Stay under 0.1. Failing these benchmarks creates a wall of friction. It drives away visitors and compromises search visibility before a single word of content is ever read. To see exactly where your site stands, you have to check the same scoreboard Google uses, Page Speed Insights. This free tool provides a clear diagnosis based on real-world user data. It categorizes your performance into 3 zones: green for a pass, yellow for needs improvement, and red for a failing grade. Many Indian websites struggle with red scores due to a few common factors: slow shared hosting, unoptimized hero images, excessive plugin use, and the lack of a content delivery network. Identifying your score on this dashboard allows you to stop guessing. You can begin strategically removing the technical weights that are currently limiting your organic reach. Start by compressing your hero images. Free tools like Squoosh can shrink your file sizes by 50% or more, immediately improving your LCP score. Second, move away from cheap shared hosting. Upgrading to a server with SSD storage significantly reduces the time it takes for your server to respond to a request. Third, enable lazy loading. This ensures that images further down the page only load as they're needed, allowing the top of your site to render instantly. Fourth, audit your backend. Ruthlessly delete unused plugins to eliminate code bloat, which frees up the main thread and improves your INP responsiveness. Finally, use a content delivery network like Cloudflare. This serves your site from a location geographically closest to the user, cutting down latency globally. Stripping away this technical friction removes the invisible barrier Google has placed on your site, allowing your content to compete on its actual merits. This chart shows a sobering reality for the Indian web in 2026. The towering red bar represents the vast majority of mobile sites currently failing these standards, with scores below 50. This performance gap exists in a market with over 600 million mobile users, many of whom are accessing the web on mid-range devices and varied network speeds. If your site is slow or unstable on these devices, your business is effectively invisible to a mobile-first audience. Because so much of the competition is currently failing, these technical standards have become a primary differentiator. Meeting these benchmarks now positions your site to capture the visibility your competitors are losing. Website performance has become a measurable driver of growth. Every second of loading lag represents a specific loss in user engagement and potential sales. The fix is often simpler than it looks, and it begins with a 2-minute check on Page Speed Insights. Take a moment to run your website through the tool right now. Drop your score, green, yellow, or red, in the comments below. I'll be replying to every score posted today to help you find your next move. You're ready to build. Hit the like button, share this with your team, and subscribe to Marketing Odyssey.